What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we have a new stand mixer in the house. This is the Ventray. It is 6.35 quarts. It is 800 watts. The housing is metal, and I'm looking forward to trying this baby out. So join me. We're going to take a look at the Ventray stand mixer. So Wednesday is my gadget day, right? And I love stand mixers. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Ventray for sending this. This is a metal mixer. It's popularly priced, so it is budget friendly, but it's 6.35 quarts. So we're going to see how this baby can perform. If you want to take a look at this mixer, there'll be links down in the description. This one we have here is actually blue. So I don't think I have a blue mixer, right? A baby blue. But we're going to see how this is. Let me get this out of the box and let's see what it has to offer. So here is our mixer. I like the baby blue color. It comes in a couple colors, I think red, and yeah, I like this. So here's our mixer, and it does come with a pouring shield. It also comes with the lever to raise the tilt head is right here. It is a metal body. So in here we have a paddle. We have a dough hook. And we have a whisk or whip. Cool. So just for giggles. So we're going to judge this mixer on the standard Amy Learns to Cook categories. We're going to be looking at the overall look and feel of the mixer. That's the fit, the finish, how I kind of feel as a cook using it. A lot of it is subjective, right? We're going to be doing whipped cream with the whisk, cookies with the paddle, and bread dough with the dough hook. So really quick, let's turn it on. I kind of like this. Here's our little button here to raise and lower the mixer head. I think that's pretty cool. Stylish, right? So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Okay. Sounds smooth. It's a little backwards for me. It has a pulse. Yeah, I like the blue color. I think the overall look and feel is pretty nice. It seems really sturdy on the counter. It sounds smooth. I love the color. I love the shape. I love this little, right? I think that's cute. Yeah, so I give it high marks on the overall look and feel. So we're going to wash the bowl up. We're going to wash the attachments. We're going to chill these so that we can make the whipped cream. One thing really quick just to note is here's our bowl, and it doesn't have a handle. So that's just one thing to note. So we're going to wash this up, chill it, and make us some whipped cream. Okay, so everything's chilled. I have the whisk attachment on here. We're going to go ahead and lower the mixer head. I've got 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to be using this on something for Eric. So I don't know if you're going to be able to just eat it, Eric.
I don't know. Bring it closer to me, my pretty.
So we got to bring this all the way up. Ooh, it's starting to look good. So I'm going to put some powdered sugar in here for my sweet.
Sure.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. You usually take one in the face, but...
Yeah, but I don't think that's whipped cream. I think I really need to investigate it closer.
You can try a little bit because I'm using this on another dish, so...
I gotta make sure that this whipped cream is worthy of this secondary product she's about to put it on.
Tasty?
Tastes pretty good, yeah. Wait a minute. Is this a Twilight Zone Amy? Okay, there we go. All right, I just wanted to make sure, it's the same Amy that I married, 25 years ago, because she was starting to worry me. All right.
Get the thumbs up.
I certify that.
So today we're making oatmeal raisin cookies, and I have some butter in here. I got the paddle attachment on there. I have some shortening. We're going to go ahead and put that in. And we need to cream together the shortening, butter, and sugar. So I have some granulated sugar.
Yay.
And some brown sugar.
Ooh.
We're going to go ahead and cream this. I'm going to go ahead and add some eggs. Go ahead and give it a little scrape. Scrape-a doodle. Doodle-dee. Scrape-a-doodle-dee. So I have some flour here, I have some salt, some baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon. I'm going to add some vanilla to our wet ingredients. Do a little scrape-a-doodle. And some oats. Lower it down. I'm going to put our raisins in there. Seems to handle it pretty good. Oatmeal raisin is really heavy dough, and it doesn't seem to be having any trouble with it. No trouble at all. There's our dough.
Looks like it mixed it all up pretty good.
Yeah, it did a good job.
So, Boo,
So there's our dough. Yeah, it got all the way to the bottom. Looks good. I mean, the mixer did not struggle. And a lot of mixers will struggle with oatmeal raisin.
Yeah, they'll bog down.
They'll bog down. There was a little high-pitched noise. I don't know if that's just how it sounds, but it didn't have any kind of issue. So I think it did a good job. Time for some bread. I got the dough hook on here. I got some water. We're making a double recipe of my dinner rolls because this recipe is so good. You can make it with dinner rolls. You can make it into bread. You can make it in whatever you want.
Hamburger buns.
Hamburger buns. There you go. Some yeast. Some sugar. That was instant yeast. Sath instant yeast. I'm using pure olive oil. And all we have left is sugar and flour. Bread is so easy to make. So easy. People get intimidated by it, but it is so easy to make bread. Oh, I'm just going to put the salt in with the flour. I think I have it on a 1.
One's usually good.
Nice. So that came together lickety-split. Might need to add a little bit more flour. So it's literally been running for like 10 minutes. And it hasn't bogged down, it hasn't bounced around, it hasn't done any of that. That's pretty good. So, let's get this. Okay, so our dough, I'm going to put a little tiny bit of flour in there. A lot of times I put a little bit of oil, but my oil's out of reach. So, it's a really nice dough. Oh, look at the dough. Really nice. It's hydrated nicely. When I squeeze, I feel a little bit of the dampness. Yeah, look at that. I was a little concerned because of the shape of the dough hook. It's not a spiral. I guess it's kind of like a spiral.
It's not aggressive.
Yeah, I didn't think this. At first, I was like, the spiral isn't going to do it, but it actually did. It brought the dough together pretty quickly. It kept it together. Yeah, they did a great job. I'm going to divide this up into 2 loaves. And I'm going to bake this off. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it get yummy for a day or so. And before I bake it off. Ooh, I didn't get these quite the same size. Oh, nice. I think I need to give this one a little bit more. So my thoughts about the mixer. The whipped cream did a great job. It was nice and fluffy and delicious, right, Eric?
I don't know. It felt like whipped cream.
The oatmeal cookies, I was really surprised. A lot of mixers struggle with oatmeal cookies because they're heavy with all that oatmeal in it. It did a great job. Didn't overstress the mixer. The mixer head wasn't bouncing around. It did a great job. For the bread, same thing. I thought maybe for a second this dough hook might have issues because it's not exactly quite a spiral. I guess it is a spiral. I guess it's not of an aggressive spirals I've seen. And at first I was like, I don't know how that's going to do, but it actually did really fine. We have great dough here for some great bread. So
on the look and feel, you just had a little bit of a high-pitched whine on the medium speeds.
Yeah.
You're making the cookie dough, but you didn't have it making the bread.
Yeah, for some reason I had a little bit of a high-pitched whine there when I was making the cookies. And the only other drawback is that there's no handle on the bowl. But other than that, it performed really nice. So I just want to thank Ventray for sending this mixer. This was a blast. I love trying this out. I'll put links down in the description. This is the Ventray 6.35 quart mixer, 800 watts. Link will be down in the description. Thank you. I appreciate it. We're going to have some oatmeal raisin cookies and we're going to have some bread. So happy Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed this.